34 years old and the wife is 30 years old. They had done 2 failed IVF at different center in the nearby district, and with lot of trust they had come here. So when they came here, the husband's semen parameter was cryptozoospermia, which means the sperm count is less than 1 million. So first what we did, we tried to improve his sperm parameters. We gave him the testicular injection along with the hormonal medication. Followed by that, he was ejaculating around 12 millions of sperms. Then we started the IVF cycle for the wife, and almost 8 eggs were retrieved for them. And this is how the EC is done for them. And I'll show the blast. It's a wonderful blast. You can see these are the blasts which we had got for them, and the embryo transfer is done. With a lot of hope, this couple has come to us, and we pray to God to get the best for them. And still no, the results are not at all. And we are waiting for a good beta HCl levels so that they will be going back from their family.